Installation of the EuroGutter USA rainwater system. Step 1. Choose gutter hangers. Choose fascia mount hangers or roof mount hangers. Choose fascia mount hangers when gutter is easily attached to the fascia. Roof mount hangers are typically chosen when fascia board is not available or when there is angled fascia board or molding. For fascia mount hangers, use a chalk line to align on the fascia board. The chalk line should slope about 1/4 inch per 20 feet toward the nearest downspout. Minimum slope is 1/16 inch per foot. For a short span of fascia board, a level should be used to ensure proper slope. Install one fascia mount hanger for every 2 feet of gutter. Install a hanger approximately 5 inches from the edge of each corner for proper hanging of the miters. For roof mount hangers, you will also need one hanger every 2 feet of gutter. Determine the high point. Gutter should slope around 1/4 inch per 20 feet toward the nearest downspout. Mark the high point and install the first hanger. Mark the lowest point and install the second hanger. Ensure the hangers are level. Use a level and end cap as shown. Span a string between the hangers as shown, one at the lowest point of the hanger and one level to the front part of the hanger. Position each hanger between the strings and mark the hanger at the roof line. Each hanger will be marked at a different place depending on the slope. Use a hanger bending tool to ensure consistent angles. Install the hanger under the roof materials, shingles, felt, or water shield. Step 2. Install the gutter. Install end cap. Crimp the end of the gutter, then snap in place and secure with a hammer. Seam with pliers. End caps that require soldering are also available. Join 2 gutter sections together as shown, then rivet and solder the sections together. A gutter clamp, shown here, is a very helpful tool to hold the gutter sections in place for riveting. Rivet the gutter sections together first, then solder. For copper material, we recommend riveting and soldering, although with copper only, gutter connectors may be used instead. When using VM zinc, only soldering is required. Step 3. Turning a corner. If turning a corner with gutter, use an inside or outside corner, also called a miter. Attach the miter to the gutter as shown. Step 4. Installing a star outlet. Place the star outlet on the gutter where it is to be installed. Trace or mark an opening in the gutter depending on the gutter size. Create an opening in the gutter where the outlet is to be installed. A cutting template is available. Bend down the edges of the opening, leaving an overhang of approximately 1/2 inch as shown. Install the star outlet by hanging the front of the outlet first, then bend the back clips over the back flange of the gutter. Step 5. Place gutter into hangers. Secure gutter to hangers by bending front clamps first and then back clamps. Step 6. Installing downspout. Install seamless weld elbows as necessary, available in 40, 72, and 85 degrees. No soldering is required. Each downspout and elbow have one end expanded. Parts are joined by fitting the larger end of one over the smaller end of the other, forcing them tightly together. Measure distance to wall. Leave approximately 1 inch distance between the downspout and the wall. Install one bracket at top. Install one bracket at bottom. Install one at each downspout joint for approximately every 10 feet. No soldering required. Shown are brackets installed with an anchor and pin. Also available are brackets with screws. To span distances with straight spout, first measure and then cut span to fit. To install custom pieces, as shown, crimp one end to insert into elbow and expand the other as shown. At the end of the downspout, attach an offset elbow if necessary. Before attaching last bracket, ensure downspout is straight. Finally, attach a front or side elbow at the end of the downspout to direct water away from the foundation, or attach to ground pipe. Step 7. Installing drip edge. This step is optional. Help direct roof runoff into gutters by installing drip edge. To install, lift shingles and insert drip edge under shingles. Push back until drip edge projects approximately 1/2 inch beyond fascia. Nail under shingles.